baako a me hu de si ade. Ade baako a me hu de si ade. Say amanfo erashe 2028. When be Frank Barra am at this party or this party. Amanfo erashe where's member church, listen to me. Say amanfo erashe November 2028. About Sunday, December 7th. As a Frank Barra of this party or this party. I don't want to mention any party name. No. I don't want to mention any party.
Yeah.
But the moon is a man for Russia. But the man will say,
I go.
And go find a Russian. Bakuba lady, Mayor Fabara on this party. But on here was Sunday and so by Fabara on this party. No, less than 3 months. Team will be.
My God. So much our Boremo. Or Kasu Sam. My God.
And then the Cassie on say, Mom prayed the door 2028, don't pray long life.
Papa say mama pray dia e dem onim 2028. Na mom pray quite anything.
Men pray any position be in your party, but pray for long life. Otherwise, they will choose you as their leader, but before the election day, you die.
Abusia Sabre would do any extreme or a political space. Na dia ba kwa AD himpa a flag bearership race both NPP and NDC Sabre the NPP for the and the AD him den na so I say NDC den so and ma senketenkete na we and na Jesus and warfare e de enkom hye bi abeto dwade akọ ama both political parties ni nyina akwakoye hu e de amom wo kire say ne wo hu ni so ne say as a political parties ni nyina wo bia praise obabe flag bearer e de ma ne party no na wo kire wo mo say enye flag bearer no hia ni mum ewu bi esensen wiem etika ho de be ya anka wo mo praise obabe di flag bearer no wo mo di kan praise wo mo benya apomuden ama wo mo ho ansa no ma pe flag bearer na nya sa wo ba benya flag bearer na di so na so enche 2028 ye to abani we ya nothing wadane ato wo say and o kan sam no esify
ade ba ko me hu de si ade ade ba ko me hu de si ade say amanfo erashe 2028 when be Frank Barra am at this party or this party. Amanfo erashe where's member church, listen to me. Say amanfo erashe November 2028. About Sunday, December 7th. As a Frank Barra of this party or this party. I don't want to mention any party name. No, I don't want to mention any party.
Yeah.
But the moon is a man for Russia. But the man will say,
I go.
And go find a Russian. Bakuba lady, Mayor Fabara on this party. But on here was Sunday and so by Fabara on this party. No, less than 3 months. Team will be.
My God. So much our Boremo. Or Kasu Sam. My God.
And then the Cassie on say, Mom prayed the door 2028. Don't pray long life.
Papa say mama pray dia e dem onim 2028. Na mom pray quite anything.
Men pray any position be in your party, but pray for long life. Otherwise, they will choose you as their leader, but before the election day, you die.
My God. Papa say and pray so be a flag bearer our party be mu name no pray so be nyam kwatenten asa ye be you na so be wo.
Church, write it down.
Papa says which one to way?
Said the American man taking it serious.
Oh my God.
But less than 3 months, the person will die.
Jesus.
Me my party be a ding.
Dabi.
Men can BP and NDC and CPP and DFP and party be a.
Dabi.
Nemo me who say Ghana party bako. Ye kotuaba. Na do we di any bono. We ni ho no wa.
My God. Susuma jana kasano.
Na ebe ha adwene
sir
ebe wo so party no ebe wo so edom nyina.
My God.
And the empanimfu bi person body party animu a na party bi animu a omo mompa say God, I need long life. God, fulfill my years, my days. Yes. Lord, let me live long, more than 100 years. If you stop this prayer, you will die.
My God.
Why you are a flag bearer?
Papa say bompayo pray akwatenten I say ready my men kwan enare enwa awasaso so enye sa ubewu.
And then 3rd August, right?
Sa 3rd August.
Write it down.
Papa Simon Toronto hoy.
Ghana party be yi Fabara mo wadi obanim.
My God.
Say ni pardon. Ya ntoro so aba. Obe free. You are seeing.
My God.
Ya ntoro so aba. Obako. Omo you say be last 2024 last year 2024 ya be yi tire be e ka say penifo bi you cancel no but so the thing is still pending.
My God.
Enti omo April pain die no a tabo nko ye kura tabo only 7 months am for here pray no omo pray long life omo nyai say you best stand as a father be di party omo nyai say no omo pray for long life and this they will rise but they will fail.
Amen. Omani nina do for so me than ekasa no o se say pray flag bearer pray na say ma nkwan
they will rise but they will fail.
Papa se mo be pray na so be di nkoguo.
2019 7 years ago and I'm a shame come on hanya me say me was a Ghana border boko wana kai wakai e bie ama huhu bia dai e ba wura Ghana 2019 okay ho okay pa se Ghana border no aye open ama nkofo wura musa na ho de kwa e course a first no utuka na be bia na police force barrier SCC near check ti a bad day pass up to the idea smuggler wura Ghana ha
sir
and come say we buy 3 years ago na omo yi better in Africa na kwan na so bon sam nya papa the Ghana ya da na jo a no man na musa no man na mu rough kwa wada police for na e be si barrier no a check na man na yesi mu ina mu kwatara fie na mu kra mu ina na nya me la chapter 2019 say me musa manfo wura Ghana mu de bone na eba Ghana for sorry mon paye e table so da ho o social media so sir 2019 now say owura John Mama oye campaign no o ka say nyame ye na dom na wo win power obey program bi a after this say 24-hour economy
24-hour economy
3 in 1
sir
we call 8 hours that's 24 hours
sir.
Now or can some way no asan mo do pa atamfo so dia ba ho amo say ye ma wonya chira so ya me wadi a won ti susu mu nsem atamfo say John Mama ye ma wonya chira ti be say ye man tokwa sisi bi basa ebi wu boko ebi wu kumase ebi wu ha say be o plan e wa plan no emmem and omo plan say 24-hour economy no e kwan bia so omo mpre so omo de fa dum so na ba e be what 24-hour economy and dum so ni free hoko e am da fa ni pakum so da be ya adwe na papa na nya no ontimi nje embem and so wan timi anya
my God
no odo na waye mama tira 24-hour economy no a no na aye na mo nipa be wo mo no e na mpre so
sir
oh so wan timi anya ani wono
a
Yana for God bless you. That's the way. Yana for because nipa dem pene so ma je.
Nipa dem pene.
Ko ye wi omo wi ne yana na o say ha e kwa na yi dum so aba better why. Say dum so no ko. E ko ye no. Afi nipa kum. Entokwa. Kumase pa bi hu bi da kumase. But you pay. E wi daytime pa pay.
My God.
Daytime pay. So the be ya e ye de emma so. To the amaso a. No na ai bibia.
Anya ne fort.
Mo ana mai ma de.
Efini efre. Efini efre. Bawumia. Jesus.
I don't know you know. Amaso ana efini efre. Ghana phobia mpa de pa. Oh, Ghana phobia mpa de pa. Ghana phobia no mo nyina.
Be yi ne fe.
Sa amaso a wanya hwe. One go
I will say this as our friends some of put in a message. So go jaw comment our comment section go edit amame. E so much GH. E ya no me subscribe to us na de be on account. send a na upload YouTube to one first person ya wonsa ebidi kan akabi all the social media platforms so kwa too much GH o subscribe no like it no wa share na wonwa bi so enye bi ahwe that good enemy di ye be say share